Okay, we're live.
Hi, people.
We're on Facebook Live.
What?
We're on Facebook Live. Say hi.
You're live on Facebook.
Wait.
Hi, Facebook.
There's Facebook. That's Nathan. What's your name again?
Natalie.
What is it?
Natalie.
Natalie. This is Natalie.
You gotta say hi.
Say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Everyone at Facebook World. Hello to. Oh, there, Natalie's leaving. Natalie left.
Let's go over to the.
Natalie left.
Yeah, let's go over to the patio.
There's Jim,
Any food?
right there.
Hi. Apparently we're going
There's
live.
one person.
We're about the time to break for food. So. we will-
Riley's watching, and Nicholas is watching.
Hello, Riley.
Nicholas is a guy that I put into the boards a lot when I was playing hockey.
We're back to building
There's Ed.
another engine.
There's Ed. Where's Ed? That's Nathan.
Found Ed.
Well, there's Ed. Hey, Nick, how you doing, buddy? Do I want to tag? There, Dad's watching. We've got 6 people already.
Really?
Moose is watching. My Aunt Sharon's watching.
Who's Moose?
Moose is a cool guy.
He's one of the other guys that helped us move.
He's the tall, super tall guy in the red pickup truck that's not a Chevy. Kimberly Crosby. It's kind of ironic. It says Kimberly Crosby is watching. But I don't believe
No,
that.
that should just. That's not
That was a joke.
something there. You gotta pull it back up. Because it was spinning freely before.
Kim, you see what I did there? Oh, wait, sorry.
I
Kim,
think it's some kind of talk.
Kim is legally blind, and it says Kimberly Crosby is watching. And I was like, wait, I don't believe that. And I said, do you see what I did there? Oh, hey, there's Natalie again.
Do we have-
Bye, Facebook World.
Is there things for drinking? Is there water or something?
We've got.
If
Haha.
there's food in the fridge, if you have some fridge.
Did you like that one, Kim? Gary, watch your language. He said wankle. So we're building another motor here, Blacktiemotors, and there might be possibly. So we have all the parts for the motor are right here. So these are side seals. These are side seals right here. And then these are apex seals, and they're 2-piece apex seals. So this one has to go over here by that one. And then, so these are set up. These are set up. We're gonna come in just a second. Okay. So these are all the parts for this motor are laid out right here. That's an eccentric shaft right there. That's sort of a similar thing to the crankshaft in a regular motor. And then there's the rotors are right there. Stationary gear, counterweight, oil pump chain. So we're doing a bunch of stuff,
The food's out on the table.
and
so
then
we can eat, and we'll have to put that.
we're gonna do some more stuff. Oh, there's an oil pump right there. These are pretty cool because it's a star style oil pump. Oh, I can't move. It's star style oil pump. So when it turns, oil goes into that, and as it turns, it actually the oil gets pushed in and out of those voids, which is pretty cool. And then here we have all the seals and everything like that. The rotor housings, which you can see, well, the exhaust ports right there. You can see that that's a little bit bigger. I don't know where the other 2 irons are, or the middle iron is.